Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert an iPhone video to slow motion. All right, let's begin. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and locate the video you want to convert. Tap the video to open it, then tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen to open the editor. Next, tap the speed icon in the top right corner. This option lets you adjust the playback speed of your video. You'll see different speed options depending on your iPhone and iOS version. Choose the slow motion speed you want to use. In this example, I'll select the 30 frames per second version for a smoother slow motion effect. You can also adjust the duration of the slow motion section by dragging the handles to decide where the effect starts and ends. Once you finish making your adjustments, play the video to preview the slow motion effect. If you're not satisfied, you can go back and fine-tune the speed or change the slow motion duration until it looks the way you want. When everything looks good, tap Done to save your changes. The edited video will be saved in your Photos library, and you can share it or edit it again anytime if needed. So that's basically how you can convert an iPhone video to slow motion. That's it for this video. Thanks!